I'd like to know from your office, was the Deputy Speaker served with the charges for his removal?
Muthia seneta wa kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi Kithure Kindiki ni ahagorirwo ta munini wa spika wa bunge ya Senate thutha wa mutaratara uriotemanirio ni muhuri musharisha wa rigi bunge-ini no Irungu Kang'ata kunyitwo mbaru ni senators 58 na no senators 7 mareganire na kuhagurwo gwake.
The ayes have 54, the nays have 7, abstentions 0, so the ayes have it.
Agitemania mutaratara uyu Kang'ata ni atariirie kimwe gitumire icungireirie kuhagurwo gwake ni kumana na ikinya riake ria kungatheria mucemanio ria wetanitwo ni mutongoria wa bururi thingira-ini wa iregi gatagati gake na senators a Jubilee.
Serving these positions, having been given this position by parties, and therefore when parties lose confidence in you, they have every right to withdraw that support. Remember, Mr. Speaker, sir, when Jubilee Party supported Professor in that position, there was no reasons that were given at all. There was no framing of charges.
Ona kuri uguo senators amwe wa Tanga nimekugeretie guthara Kindiki kuma kigeri-ini giki gia kuhagurwo ona gutweka mageria mao matiuma na umithio kuona gitama ni gikureketie kwarirwo.
The country has been waiting with bated breath to know what is this big mistake the son of the Ameru has done.
As Jubilee will not allow impunity, worship of demigods within the party to continue, Mr. Speaker, sir.
And I hope that in future we can focus on fighting corona, the poverty that is in our country, instead of hiding behind corona to use dictatorship to remove people from office.
Shame to the Jubilee Party, and as you crucify our brother as a party leader, may you rest well in the notion that it was out our total hunger and refusal.
Ona kuri uguo ni gutumukire githagathago bunge-ini no gukuikaniria wa miario ukihiriria thutha wa aria mekureganaga na kuhagurwo gwa Kindiki kuga no muhaka mahitumi njiganu cia kuhagurwo gwake amwe makiuga aratongio maya mothe kumana na murugamo wake wa kiuteti.
I have told two students, Mr. Speaker, who are in this house. Who is he to lecture me? Who is he?
Order.
Oppose this motion because it is illegal, it is immoral, it is even ungodly.
Aige aria mekunyitaga mbaru kuhagurwo gwake makiuga niwe ureikirie mwaki-ini na rekaranga na make o akionaga na ginyagia senators a guthukio ni manyitire mbaru kuhagurwo gwake.
Did not conduct any recruitment of either you, the Speaker, or the Deputy Speaker, Mr. Speaker. You were elected politically, you were brought here politically, you persuaded the majority to elect you politically, and therefore you must persuade the majority to continue remaining in office politically.
I thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I support the motion.
Ona kuri uguo Kindiki ni eteteire gukwa kiuga haro ino yothe ndanatongio ni mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta indi ni ikundi cia andu eyendi akiheta kwaga kugwa mitego-ini yao ya nduma.
I shall not let anyone walk through my mind with their dirty feet, and nobody can hurt me without my permission.
Arugamireria kiama kia Jubilee makoretwo makihita no mwakari othe matakoretwo magikuya rwimbo rwa thirikari magethanirwo nao guku kihato gia gutheria nyumba ya Jubilee igitanyo gutwarwo bunge-ini nene ya bururi ica ikuhi.
Gutiri thirikari mugo nayo ko marecirie no thirikari ni mugo mari nimekuona